Hi. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is blockchain mining. Now, this is one of the most interesting topic of mine also. Let us see this. And in this video, we are going to just see an overview. In our upcoming videos, we are going to see a detailed video about blockchain mining, like how actually it is done. But for now, let us see an overview, and trust me, you will love it. Okay. So let's say someone is doing, or let's say you are doing some Bitcoin transaction. Okay, so you are doing some Bitcoin transaction. Now, this Bitcoin transaction will go to a pool of miners. Okay, we have pool of miners here. Pool, when I'm saying pool, means there are so many miners present in our blockchain network. Okay, so once they will see that, okay, our transaction is done, they will take this transaction and they will try to add this transaction on a block of the blockchain. Okay, and a block can have multiple transaction, thousands of transaction, or depends upon blockchain to blockchain. But let's say for simplicity that in this blockchain a block can have only one transaction, but a block of a blockchain can have multiple. In for the simplicity of this video, I'm going to say that a block can consist of only one transaction. So once the miner will see that, okay, a transaction is done, so they will see this transaction and they will start solving a mathematical problem. Why they will solve this mathematical problem? They will start solving this mathematical problem so that they can add this transaction on the blockchain. Okay, so that's why they will start solving the mathematical problem. Now, the miner who will solve this mathematical problem first, okay, because there are so many miners, and let's say one of these miners, let's say this miner has solved this mathematical problem first. Now, once he will solve this mathematical problem first, he will be able to create a block having this transaction. Okay, and after this process, means after this block is created, this block will be verified and validated by other set of miners. Other set means that this miner will not be a part of this verification and validation, but all the other miners will start verifying and validating this block, whether the block created by this miner is a correct block or not. Okay, whether this block is not this block is not a this block is a malicious block or not. Okay, if this block is a malicious block, then they will reject this block and they will not add this block to their blockchain, and hence again the process of mathematical problem will start. Means again the miners will start solving the mathematical problem so that they can add this transaction. But if this block is correct, if this block has no issues, in that case what they will do, they will add this block to the blockchain, to their blockchain. We have seen this also in our distributed video, right, where we talked about blockchain. They will add this block to their blockchain, and the miner who has solved this mathematical problem first will be rewarded with some cryptocurrencies. Okay, and this block will be added to the blockchain, and this is how the whole mining process works. Now you must be having question, right? Like, who can be the miner? Anybody can be the miner. Okay, you just need to install a software. Let's say if we talk about blockchain Bitcoin client, once you will install this software, you will have an option in order to, like, you will have an option to be a miner there. Okay, and let me tell you one thing more, that verification and validation is not just done by the miners. Verification and validation is also done by all the nodes. Okay, there are other systems also apart from miner who are just doing transactions, who are just part of that blockchain network. They can also verify and validate your transaction. So only miners are not verifying and validating. Other nodes that are connected to this blockchain network also verify and validate this transaction. Okay, this block, what do I mean by that? Okay, so this is how blockchain network is this is how actually blockchain mining is done, not blockchain network so on, but this is how blockchain mining is done. Now, what is this mathematical problem? This can also be one of your question, and don't worry, we are going to talk about this in our upcoming videos, where I'm going to talk about nonce, which is a very important topic, which is a topic that you will face a lot in your interviews also. So we will discuss about that in our nonce video. But for now, I hope this is very much clear what is blockchain mining and how it is done. So if you have liked this video, please click on that like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm regularly going to upload new blockchain courses on this channel. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Instagram. directly. I am available there, and you can also join our Discord community of blockchain developer, where are still now 2,000 plus members. Okay, so that you can ask your doubts, you can have a community with you, working with you, right? So if you have any doubts, yes, if you have any doubts, please leave a comment below, and meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye.